my esteemed teacher and revered guru, Professor Sharma, Dr. Umesh Kumar, my colleague on the dais, Mr. Deshpande, and colleagues in the front row of Marathi Vidnyan Parishad, very active science worker, Dr. Rupesh, all other dignitaries, and my dear young friends. Good morning to all of you. Perhaps you are aware that we are one of the poorest nations. There are 152 nations in the world, and our rank is 142. We are 10th from the bottom. And this per capita income is directly proportional to the number of innovations happening in that society. So 142nd from the top means 10th from the bottom. And innovations, they happen with scientific temper. We know that a good crop can come in a fertile land. So when scientific temper is there in the society, then some innovations, they appear. There are many, many examples because of which we import things, because we don't have our own innovations. Most of the requirements of the defense, our requirement of energy, requirement of many, many metals. You will be surprised to know that major raw material in terms of quality and quantity for titanium is in India. But we don't have technology. Therefore, we import titanium at the rate of 2,500 rupees per kilo and sell the raw material at 6 rupees a kilo. What I'm telling you by giving one or two examples that we are poor. If we had technology, we have raw material for entire requirement of the world for 500 years. And that business can be 2 to 2.5 times bigger than the steel business throughout the world. Take many other examples. I told you defense. I'm close to chemical industry, and our participation in the overall world market is about 1%. We are not competitive, and only those nations are competitive, those who have innovative ability. So with these final objectives in mind, that we need to be innovative, I have had several occasions to meet young students like you, and finally those who come for PhD. They are really very innovative. It was told that I have guided more than 100 PhD students. I'll tell you just one more example in my recent past. I take my students for picnic every year. So about three years ago, we went to Sindhudurga district of Maharashtra. May I request to keep silence? Very good, thank you. So for picnic, we went to Sindhudurga, and on the floor everywhere, there were cashew nut fruits in plenty. So my students asked me that this is a big loss of the nation. So what should we do? I said that you asked me for a picnic. I never requested you to come for the picnic. It is your problem to solve. They went to local revenue office and found that two things. One is 2 million ton fruits are being thrown. 2 million tons. And second is, lot of exercise has already been done in the last 50 years to make ethanol out of it. But it is not commercially viable. So nobody has started really the alcohol business. So they found these two things. So alcohol business is not attractive. So what is to be done? So I told them to think. Our Institute of Chemical Technology, has all the analytical facilities. So in the food department, they analyzed these fruits and found that it has a good quantity of beta carotenoid. It's a good quantity of vitamin C, dietary fibers, antioxidants. So what I'm telling you, and I may repeat it again, there was an opportunity of value addition and making money for the nation, and how the students at the young age, they are innovative. So alcohol, the control price was 47 rupees 5 years ago. It has become 63 rupees, but still it is not viable. So they separated by leaching process and then by chromatographic separation, all these components. So instead of 63 rupees, which was not viable, they made it 163 rupees. And the entire business became viable. So we made a cooperative in that Sindhudurga district. 600 for farmers, they have joined the cooperative. Each one has contributed 10,000 rupees, which makes it 6 crores. And therefore, government of Maharashtra is ready to give 54 crores for the capital investment. Pilot plant experiments are done. Personally, I have a lot of experience of scale-up. So it will happen. The important points I'm telling you, recently I gave a lecture in New Jersey. How many opportunities are there in Maharashtra? We have 32 districts, and you will be surprised to know that there are more than 600 opportunities. So these cashew apples, that activity itself is going to double the per capita income of that district. And if we valorize all these opportunities, I know that the exercise is difficult. There will be many, many challenges. We don't have background of marketing. We don't have background of finance. Therefore, we have started a course in ICT on social entrepreneurship, so that these subjects will be taught for the aspiring individuals, those who are interested in business. Summarizing, we are poor. The only way to eliminate the poverty is science and technology. No democracy, no communism, no socialism. They will tell us how to distribute the money after making the money, but they will not never generate the wealth for our nation. So science and technology are important. There are several opportunities in Maharashtra which can make it rich, and only innovative thinking and innovative actions are required. For that purpose, the society has to have the scientific temper and technological mind. With this view in mind, we have started this activity. This is the first program, and I'm confident on the basis of my 10 years experience in the past that my colleagues in Marathi Vidnyan Parishad and all the enthusiasts in the country and in our state, we will take it forward. I again thank Nehru Science Centre for giving this opportunity. This is a big opportunity for us, the starting program happening in Nehru Science Centre. And I thank you young students for coming here and participating. You'll find it very, very exciting. Thank you.